COVID-19 Mythbusters. Whenever there is an outbreak of a disease, and especially in the COVID-19 outbreak, misinformation and rumor can spread more quickly than the virus itself, and it can be just as dangerous. We all have a role to play in protecting ourselves and others. Know the facts about COVID-19 and help stop the spread of rumors and the disease. Drinking water alleviates a sore throat. Does this also protect against COVID-19? While staying hydrated by drinking water is important for overall health, it doesn't prevent coronavirus infection. If you have fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early and share previous travel history with your healthcare provider. If possible, call ahead so your healthcare provider can prepare for your visit. What type of disinfectant can I use to wipe down surfaces to protect against COVID-19? If a surface is dirty, first wipe it down with regular household soap or detergent and rinse with water. Then use a regular household disinfectant like bleach. Its active ingredient, sodium hypochlorite, kills bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Always protect your hands when use bleach. Example, wear rubber gloves. Dilute bleach with water according to direction on the package. Can the coronavirus COVID-19 survive in hot and humid climate? Yes, 2019 COVID has spread to countries with both hot and humid climates as well as cold and dry. Whenever you live, whatever the climate, it is important to follow precautions. Wash your hands frequently and cover cough and sneeze with a tissue or bent elbow. Throw the tissue in the bin and wash your hands immediately afterwards. Does drinking alcohol prevent coronavirus COVID-19? No, drinking alcohol doesn't protect you from 2019 and COVID infection. Reduce your risk of coronavirus infection by frequently cleaning hands using alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. When coughing and sneezing, cover mouth and nose with flexed elbow or tissue. Throw away immediately and wash hands, and avoid close contact with anyone who has fever and cough. How do I ensure clothes and bed linen don't spread novel coronavirus? Don't carry dirty linen or clothes against your body. Wash them in hot water between 60 to 90 degrees Celsius with laundry detergent or soap. If available, add bleach. Follow the direction on the package. Machine dry on a high temperature or dry in direct sunlight. Can COVID-19 spread through feces? Like other coronavirus, this virus can be found in feces, but COVID-19 is spread primarily through close contact with an infected person or the droplet released when they sneeze or cough. To protect yourself, wash your hands regularly, especially before preparing food or eating, after coughing or sneezing, before and after using the toilet, and after changing a child diaper.